Hello, YouTube. Welcome to today's video. What we're going to cover today is we're going to do how to do high intensity interval training on a stationary bicycle. Okay, this is actually my best friend. The stationary bike affords you a lot of different benefits. I'll cover those today, and I think you'll see that it's really unique of what the stationary bike can do for your overall fitness if you was to invest in one. Okay, you know how I am. We're going to move right into today, and I just want to thank all of you for taking a look at this video today, and I hope it's something that you get from it that'll help you along your journey to a better overall fitness lifestyle. Okay, let's get started. You're probably wondering why I'm dressed like this. When I do the stationary bike, I'm doing it for to actually, you know what I'm saying, improve my weight loss. So I want to burn some fat. I found that if you do it after a fast, you know, like early in the morning or something, first thing in the morning, you get on the stationary bike, it will allow you to burn fat instead of burning whatever else that you've placed in your stomach. So I like to do it on an empty stomach, okay? We're going to go ahead and get started real quick. I've already made all of my adjustments and everything on the bike, so it's ready to get going. And I'm going to demonstrate basically 15 minutes of what I do. Of course, you can do more than 15 minutes. Okay, normally I'm on a bike doing stationary. I'm usually doing cardio on my stationary bike about an hour. Okay, just to let you know, I'm up to about an hour a session. But today, just for this video alone, we're going to just do the 15 minutes. Okay, we're going to take about, out of the 15 minutes, we're going to actually warm up. And I usually take about, 2 to 3 minutes to just warm up on the stationary bike, okay? All right. Hope everyone's doing fine out there today. I'm pretty pumped. I love riding my stationary bike. I'm telling you, it's probably, out of the whole gym, it's one of my favorite pieces of equipment for various reasons, of course, okay? What you want to just do is just control your breathing. Make sure you're taking deep breaths in as you're warming up, and deep breaths out the mouth, in the nose, out the mouth. There you go. Okay. Stay in it. I like to dress as warm as I possibly can when I'm doing the stationary bike because I want to sweat. You know what I'm saying? When I always say, when you're sweating, fat is crying, and that's what it's all about for me. You're talking about a way to really build leg muscles and everything, and get some real good cardiovascular endurance. First of all, what are some of the benefits of riding a stationary bike? Like I just mentioned, definitely cardiovascular improvement, okay? The heart is a muscle, so you want to work the heart just like you work every other body part, okay? You want to build that muscle. Number 2, it can improve the symptoms of different, lung conditions like COPD or asthma. A lot of people may think because you got asthma, you wouldn't want to do anything to exert yourself, but actually, it will improve the symptoms of all those different lung, diseases. Of course, you want to check with your professional, your medical doctor before beginning any exercise program, okay? All right. Another benefit to stationary biking is it'll help you gain muscle and, of course, strengthen the legs. I got some pretty strong legs, just to let you know. And most of it I give the credit to the stationary bike. I'm kind of moving past the warm-up phase now. What you want to do when you do high intensity interval training, what I found that worked for me is you just increase your pedaling and count 25 seconds. You know what I'm saying? 1001, 1002, like that. And go as fast as you're able to do. And then you would just slow down until you get your breath back. Okay? So we're going to do the first one real quick. Okay? And we'll start now. Okay? 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 9, and 10, and 11, and 12, and 13, and 14, and 15, and 16, and 17, and 18, and 19, and 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Then you just go back to slowing down, okay? Of course, you will do it quicker, a lot faster as you get into it, okay? You don't want to burn yourself out on the first one. Okay, what is another benefit of riding a stationary bike? Okay, of course, like I mentioned, it will assist you in weight loss. It's an excellent means for burning fat, okay? Excellent. And it's easy to track how many calories that you're burning on a stationary bike also, okay? Another benefit of riding a stationary bike, all right, is it is actually can reduce or help with the symptoms of type 2 diabetes, all right? So it's real good on that level too. Helping with them blood sugar spikes. All right. We'll do the next one real quick. Let's do another one. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Oh my God. You'll get in there pretty quick with that stationary bike. You're gonna feel it pretty quick. You ain't gonna have no doubt that you're doing something. All right. What is another benefit? Actually, this is actually the 6th benefit of riding a stationary bike. It will definitely help you feel good. All right? You will feel good. Stationary bike will help you with them endorphins. Those things that make you feel good. All right? Help you secrete those chemicals, those endorphins, to make you feel good. And that's what it's all about. Nobody wants to do something that don't make them feel good while they're doing it. All right? So that's another reason I like the stationary bike. All right. The 7th benefit of riding a stationary bike, all right, is it's good on your joints. All right? I mean, you can go walking, you can go running, a light jog or something like that. But when you stationary bike, there's not that much pressure on your joints, okay? So it's actually really, really, really good. All right, let's go another one real quick. Let's do another one. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. All right. Wow. We almost getting in there. You want to get your heart rate up, okay? Depending on where you're at in your conditioning, your cardio conditioning, you want to get your cardio up to at least 70% of maximum VO2. You want 70 to 75%. Once you get in there, you're pretty much in the fat burning zone. Okay? The object is to get in that fat burning zone and stay there for about 15 to 20 minutes. And what that does, that produces enough caloric burning of calories to where you'll actually, when you stop doing your high intensity interval training, you'll still maintain at least up to 8 to 10 hours of fat burning once you even finish with your session. Okay? All right. And then the 8th benefit to riding a stationary bike is it lowers your cholesterol. All right. That low DL, that low limit cholesterol will help you keep your cholesterol in check. All right. You want to control your cholesterol while we're on that point, that subject. Get more fruits and vegetables in, okay? I tell people all the time, it's impossible to have high cholesterol if you're a vegan, okay? I'm not a vegan, but I'm just letting you know that. If the more meat you eat, the higher possibilities or chances is you will have high cholesterol. Okay, so you definitely want to eat plenty of fruits and vegetables, all right, to control that cholesterol level. Let's do another one real quick. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 9, and 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, dig, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. All right. Ooh, I can feel it. I'm in there now, though. All right. What's another benefit? Number 9. It fights against degenerative diseases. It'll help you fight against things like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, okay? So that's pretty good right there, okay? Getting in there, getting that cardio up, getting that VO2 up, burning those calories, doing it on an empty stomach or after a fast. What it'll do is it'll help you burn those stored sugars in that liver. All right? And it'll help you burn that, go straight to that fat if you don't have any carbs or anything stored in that liver, that glucose. It'll help you go straight to them fats and burn them fats, okay? Let's go one more real quick. Let's get that next one in. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right. Woo, you can feel them. I don't care who you are. You do that high intensity interval training on this stationary bike, and buddy, you done got your cardio in for the day, okay? If you cutting for a show or something like that, you do 2 a days. 2 30-minute, anywhere I should say 20 to 30-minute cardio sessions on a stationary bike, and you'll come in shredded. All right. The last and final benefit to riding a stationary bike is it increases your life expectancy, okay? Expectancy, I should say. Pardon me. I always say that all the exercise and all the working out that you do it may not extend the quantity of your life, all right? But it definitely will add to the quality of your life. That's what it's about. Who wants to live a life? you know what I'm saying, without fitness, you know, where you can't do what you want to do. You're not able to do it because of the level of your fitness, okay? So that's the final benefit, okay? A plus, like it is today, it's out there, it's raining, it's storming outside, and I'm able to just come in here in my studio and still get my cardio on, okay? So it actually helps you too when the weather's not agreeing with you. So those are the 10 benefits of the stationary bike. We're gonna go ahead and do one more of those sets real quick. And then we're gonna check on up out of here, all right? Give me one, ready? Go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, dig in, 23, 24, and 25. All right, that's it right there, that's beautiful. Okay, let me see what time it is. Okay, that's about right at about 15 minutes. All right, just to kind of show you where I'm at. Let me show you just with that 15 minutes to show you that I'm in that fat burning zone. Look at this. See that? I'm already sweating that quick. So, all right, what I want to do is I want to thank you for being a part of this video today and watching it, okay? I want you to leave any comments that you may have in the comment section on how I can improve what I'm doing. If there's any particular topic or exercise you want me to cover, please leave that in the comment section. Like, subscribe, and share this video for me. I'm very appreciative of those of you that are subscribed to my channel. Thank you for being with me on my journey as I'm growing with this YouTube thing. I appreciate you. And remember, always be seeking fitness. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.